Welcome to the online class of Horikhali High School, Sonatala, Bogura. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah by the time of COVID-19. I am Ms. Papia Akhtar, Assistant Teacher, Social Science, Horikhali High School, Sonatala, Bogura. Today I will discuss about the English first paper for class 7, unit 5, lesson 1. Let's enjoy the class. Today's topic name is Begum Rokeya. Today's lesson 1, topic name is Begum Rokeya. Dear student, look at the picture and ask and answer this question. This is picture. I know you know about the picture. Who is the woman? She is Begum Rokeya. What do you know about her? Begum Rokeya was a famous writer and a social worker. Understand it? Okay. Now we read about Begum Rokeya. I read the text. Begum Rokeya 1880 to 1932 was a famous writer and a social worker. She lived in undivided Bengal in the early 20th century. She believed that women should have the same rights and opportunities as men have in the society. So she fought for their cause throughout her life. Begum Rokeya was born in a village called Pairaban, Rangpur in 1880. Her father Johiruddin Mahmud Abu Ali Haidar Shebar was an educated landlord. Rokeya was married to Khan Bahadur Shakwat Hussain in 1896. Her husband was the deputy magistrate of Bhagalpur, now a district in the Indian state of Bihar. He was very cooperative and always encouraged Rokeya to go on with her activities. Many upper class Muslims of Bengal at that time learned Arabic and Persian as medium of education and communication. But Rokeya had great love for her mother tongue. She learned Bangla and English from her eldest brother Ibrahim. Dear student, I think understand the text. If you do not understand the text, I will read again. Begum Rokeya 1880 to 1932 was a famous writer and a social worker. She lived in undivided Bengal in the early 20th century. She believed that women should have the same rights and opportunities as men have in the society. So she fought for their cause throughout her life. Begum Rokeya was born in a village called Pairaban, Rangpur in 1880. Her father Jahiruddin Mahmud Abu Ali Haidar Shebar was an educated landlord. Rokeya was married to Khan Bahadur Shakwat Hussain in 1896. Her husband was the deputy magistrate of Bhagalpur, now a district in the Indian state of Bihar. He was very cooperative and always encouraged Rokeya to go on with her activities. Many upper class Muslims of Bengal at that time learned Arabic and Persian as medium of education and communication. But Rokeya had great love for her mother tongue. She learned Bangla and English from her eldest brother Ibrahim. Dear student, after we have studied this lesson, we will be able to ask and answer questions, talk about people, read and understand the text, write answer to questions. To make the text easy to us, we should know some vocabulary. Let's see some words meaning or vocabulary on the about the text. Some vocabulary. We should know some vocabulary. Famous, one who familiar or well known, that is called famous. Writer, one who writes book, any books, who is writer. Early, quickly or soon. It mentions time. Undivided, which is gathered, that is called undivided. It is whole or single. Believed, accept something as true. Opportunities, benefit or advantage. Landlord, a person is especially a man who rents land. It is landlord. Activities, do something or performance or deeds, that is called activities. Communication, contact with others, that is communication. Dear student, to make the text easy to us, we know some vocabulary. I think see all vocabularies or understand it. Next, the next section. Take the correct answer on this text. Question number 1. Begum Rokeya fought for option A democracy, option B independence, option C women's rights. Begum Rokeya fought for, correct answer is option C women's rights. Question number 2. Rokeya was born in a village, a town, a slum. I think answer this question. Right answer is a village. Question number 3. Rokeya loved English, Bangla, Urdu. Right answer is Bangla. Question number 4. Shakwat Husain's working place was Pairaban, Bhagalpur, Rangpur. Say the right answer. I think tell about the right answer. Shakwat Husain's working place was Bhagalpur. Bhagalpur is a district in Bangladesh, West Bengal, Bihar. Dear student, I think you have already in front of the textbook. So, see the textbook, then tell about the right answer from the text. Bhagalpur is a district in Bihar. Okay. Now I will discuss take the correct answer from the alternative. See the all question answers, then you tick write on your notebook. Section D. Now I will complete the following chart with information from the text. One is done for you. Complete the following chart with information from the text. Who is about from information? We complete the information about Begum Rokeya. Begum Rokeya's occupation, writer and social worker. Now we complete next information. Next information is born in 1880, married in 1896, family Begum Rokeya's family was a noble family. Her family educated and a landlord. Educated and landlord. Language. Which language is learned Begum Rokeya? Right answer is Bangla and English. Bangla. Bangla and English. Which language is learned from her eldest brother Ibrahim? Okay. Today I will discuss about Begum Rokeya. Begum Rokeya not only social worker but also she is the advocate of women's rights, women's education. So remember about her. We see before the section, read about Begum Rokeya, then to make the text easy to us, we know some vocabulary, then take the correct answer from the text, then complete the following chart with information from the text. Now we give a homework for you. This is for your homework. Answer these questions. You must complete the homework. When complete the homework, you will submit the homework in our office room. When the school is open, this homework evaluate the subject teacher. You must write your notebook homework. Answer these questions. Here is have 5 questions. Question 1, what was Begum Rokeya belief? Question 2, what did she fought for? Question 3, what kind of family did she come from? Question 4, why did many upper class Muslims learn Arabic and Persian at that time? Question 5, why did Rokeya learn Bangla and English? I think all dear students see this homework for your thanks for you. That's okay. Now I in the class by the time of COVID-19, when you will go out the home, you must use the mask or keep your social distance. Okay, fine. That's all.